This easy experiment that you can do at home, all you will need is 10 packets of Crystal Light Raspberry Lemonade, 2 cups, and baking soda. My hypothesis for this reaction is that when the lemonade and baking soda react, they will create an exothermic reaction, meaning heat will be released and I'll be able to feel the substances warm up. The first thing you need to do when doing this experiment is take one of your 2 cups and fill it with baking soda. You don't need that much, but make sure you get a decent amount in there. The second step is to get your second cup, and you want to fill it up with all 10 packets of the raspberry lemonade that comes in the box. And if you get a bigger box of the raspberry lemonade, then you'll just want to put 10 packets in there. The reason for this is the raspberry lemonade has citric acid in it, and it actually reacts with baking soda and water to form an exothermic reaction, which we'll see later. After you fill the cup up with the raspberry lemonade, you'll want to fill that cup up with a decent amount of water. And once the cup is filled with water, you'll want to mix it to create the raspberry lemonade that is needed for the experiment. Once you have it all mixed, you want to put the baking soda cup into the sink, and you are ready to pour the lemonade into the baking soda, and you'll see this reaction. When you feel it, like I am in the video, you can actually feel that the reaction is creating the liquid to warm up. Based on the results from this experiment, my hypothesis was correct. What does it mean when a reaction is exothermic? Well, there are 2 different types of reactions when it comes to heat. A reaction can either be exothermic or endothermic, and the difference between them actually lies within the words themselves. Thermic, which is the ending of both of the words, refers to heat, just like in a thermometer. It just means heat. And exo means outside, whereas endo means inside. So that means that an endothermic reaction is pulling heat into an object or into an area, whereas exothermic reactions let go or release heat. So that means that when a reaction is exothermic, it feels hot because heat is coming out of it, whereas in an endothermic reaction, it might feel colder because heat is going into it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the experiment, and I hope you learned some about exo and endothermic reactions.